Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is a true 138 Super Sport. Gorgeous car, guys. I bought this at a show down in North Carolina. I love the color combination. Just a good straight car. This is a factory color combo. This is Aztec bronze. You can see the metallic out in the sunlight. It's got the factory two-tone fawn interior. And again, this is a true 138 Super Sport. This is not a clone. It's got a 66 date-coated 396 motor in it. The original Power Glide automatic trans. It's a 12-bolt 373 limited slip rear end. Just a killer car, man. It's got brand new BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with a beautiful set of American Racing 15-inch torque thrust wheels on it. Pretty car. You can see the chrome and stainless is very nice. The car was actually restored about 10 years ago, but he said it's only got about 30, I think it's 3,700 miles since they got it done. Beautiful paint. There's one little spot. I saw the one little spot that my guys, matter of fact, we need to get a little, we can get some touch-up paint for it. The guy touched it up. I guess it just happened, and they just didn't have the correct color, so we'll get over to the paint shop and see if we can have them make up the right color and touch that up a little better. But man, it's a slick car. You can see the dash is nice in there. Good, solid, straight North Carolina body. We got some sunshine. It's warming up, guys. This is the spot I'm talking about. They scratched it right there, I guess, and I'll like say, well, Jay will get over and get us some touch-up paint. We'll touch that up a little better. Other than that, there's not a whole lot to really pick at on the car. This car is really nice. Nice and flat down the sides. New rubber, new wheels. Car's got a great look to it. Yeah, it's just a good looking car. Again, it is a date code correct. It is a 66 block, 396. Not matching numbers, but I guess the next best thing. It's a Holley 4-barrel. It's got the GM, the winner's stamped aluminum intake on it. Factory exhaust manifolds, power steering, power brakes. It's been upgraded to the HEI distributor. Again, it does have the original Power Glide automatic trans. Car's detailed up nice underneath the hood. You can see it over here. It's got the original Clearview GM washer bottle in it. Just a pretty car. Car's just got a great look to it. Sorry guys, it's that sun's out, it reflects and my camera doesn't like that. Nice car. A-pillar chrome's nice. You can pick it a little bit. It's kind of got some fade to it, but it's nice. Looks like it's got new mirrors on it, new door handles. It's got new door rubbers and fuzzies. I love this interior. This is a factory two-tone fawn, it's called. New carpet, new sill plates. It's got the bucket seats, the console, the sports steering wheel. It's got the factory tach and gauge package. It's got the knee knocker tach. $37.42 on the odometer. It's got the stock AM/FM radio in it. Again, there's your knee knocker tach. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a 12-bolt 373 limited slip rear end. It's all spackle painted in the trunk like it should be. Great looking car. Detailed up real nice underneath. Floors are nice and clean. Just a good car. Interior is nice. See, those seats are nice, and it's just really good looking car. That Jay fired up here. Good running 396. This car gets with the program too. It runs strong. Gauges are working. Tach works. Yeah, it looks like all those gauges are working. Backup lights work. This car runs, man. Oh, and they've converted it.
Yeah.
So they've upgraded the radio. Blower motor, Jay?
Yep.
Does work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. That literally changes daily. You can do that at our website at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through Facebook. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.